want to read a chat on Instagram but don't want to mark it as seen for the other friend you have a conversation with. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to half swipe on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Now just head on and open up our Instagram application right here and make sure that you're currently at your home page. So for example, if you're at your profile page, just click on this home icon at the bottom left corner of the screen and you should be able to see this messenger icon at the top right corner and to see all the conversations you have with your friends on Instagram. So from here, for example, I want to half swipe this certain message. So what we're going to do is to actually quickly click on that conversation to open it up and quickly swipe down. So I'm going to do it now. So you should really do it quickly for it to work. So I'm just going to do it like that. Now I'm going to go back to the page. And as you can see, it is not marked as red. So that is how you can basically half swipe on Instagram. So if that does not work, make sure that your Instagram is currently up to date. So to check, let's just go to our App Store or your Play Store if you have an Android and let's search for Instagram. And let's wait for this page to load. And let's just click on the Instagram app page right here from our App Store and focus on this button right here. If it says open, that means that your Instagram is currently updated. However, if it shows an update button, that means that your Instagram is currently outdated. And just click on the update button so that you will have the latest features within the app. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.